Hi, this is Mohamed Omar, and here I want to present assignment Safety, Healthy, and Environmental Management in OUM. So let me start the topics that I want to share with you and explain. Building construction project accidents. This assignment is prepared on building construction project accidents. So I will continue from here as introduction. This project is construction project in Mogadishu beside the road of Makal Mukarram Street, and this project is building construction which is G+11, which means 11 floors. It has 11 floors and it has opportunities for business in Mogadishu. So this project has happened some accidents. We clarify the accidents into minor accidents and major accidents. In this project has occurred minor accidents, not major accidents. So this means that some injuries has happened from the staff or workers, but no death of people surrounded for the staff. Lots of accidents happened in this building construction project when lifting construction materials to the upper part of the building. When lifting by crane, so this happened, some accidents has fallen from up to down. So some people injured different times. Here is the pictures of where the construction sites happened the accidents. It happened here when someone is standing, happened some accidents by the machinery fail. So some workers injured here. This is a minor accident, but no death of people. Literature review. The different countries or different project sites in building construction has happened minor or fatal accidents, minor and major accidents as referred. Lots of injuries has happened, loss of resources, loss of property, loss of lives have been in the wall, and some permanent disability has mentioned in the literature review. So in this project, we have not seen some disability and death, but only injuries happened. Causes of building construction accidents. What the cause in building construction accident? As this project, lack of awareness of safety regulations. This caused by accidents, minor accidents, lack of enforcement of safety regulations, and poor regard safety by people, encouraging incompetent personnel, non-vibrant profession. If the workers is not a profession to construct or to continue their activity, it may cause accident. So physical, emotional stress and failure of some machinery or equipment, this may also cause accidents. Personal carelessness, if the people or workers of the building construction project has careless, they may not continue and some accidents may cause. Here, where the accident happened, and as it is minimized, this picture shows the causes of the accidents as the building is very high and it is G+11, which is 11 floors, when lifting the material from the ground to the upper part of the building construction, the machine may fail. When the machine fails, a lot of things drop and the ground people may affect it. Prevention and control of accidents. The best mechanism of preventing that we have used is that wearing safety engineering equipment. This controlled and prevention takes place. Safety management or good supervision, controlling the machines or materials before use. We have to control. If the workers has not a control or prevent something, the machine may fail. Careful of the project workers. The project workers has careful to mitigate the accident. Orientation, people surrounded. A lot of people working there on the road may face injuries. So this to prevent, the people are aware and oriented, giving break to rest the workers. The workers need to rest sometimes because when they are tired, they cannot continue their activities. Being costed for overtime, if some people or some workers working in overtime in additional time, they need to pay for their moral. Use of critical chain project management is one of prevention and control of the accidents. So this means that when an activity starts in a point to another point ends, and an activity 2 may start from that point and activity 3 as continuously. So we don't want to continue or to take all the activities in one time. So the activities, some of the activities depend on one another. Here is where it is prevented. So you can see the road, there's no people, and vehicles stopped to give some orientation and to reduce the accidents that may come on this. Conclusion, different projects has happened different accidents. So stepping on sharp object and falls from height were ranked second and third respectively. This happened, even in this project happened, and the referred projects also happened this. The fall of some objects from upward. As a summary, though some preventive and control measures have been result in the reduction of the number of accidents. The number of accidents can be reduced by doing a lot of things. So in this project has only minor, not fatal or death. In this project, we have recorded the minor accidents only. Some injuries of people, because there was no loss of properties and no loss of life and disabilities. Thank you very much for your attention and giving time to listen to this.